Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find Wells Fargo account number on app. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. You can see right here, as you search for the topic using Brave browser, its AI will generate you a good and very detailed answer, and of course saves you time instead of going from an article to another. So if you guys want to download Brave browser, you're gonna see that I left you in the link in the description down below. Now back to the answer. It says to locate your Wells Fargo account number on the Wells Fargo mobile app. First thing that you want to do is open the app, launch the Wells Fargo mobile app on your device. After that, select an account. Choose the account for which you need the account number. Example for checking, savings, or credit. Now, the next step is to go to the account summary, tap onto the account summary page for the selected account. After that, account details. Scroll to the top of the page where you will find the last 4 digits of your account number. Tap on this section to reveal the full account number. Alternatively, you can also find your account number in Wells Fargo Online Banking if you log into your online account and navigate to the account summary page. Or you can do that on paper statements. Your account number is listed on any paper statements you receive or you have received from Wells Fargo. And remember to keep your account number secure and do not share it with anyone unless necessary. And that should be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.